Welcome to our channel. To use secret downloader codes that have been tested and are working in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your streaming device and ensure you have a stable internet connection for downloading. Step 2. Open the downloader app on your device. If you don't have it, install it from your device's app store. Step 3. Tap on the URL field at the top of the downloader app to activate the keyboard. Step 4. Enter one of the secret downloader codes that has been verified and tested. Type it exactly as provided. Step 5. Press Go to begin the download. The tested app will start downloading immediately. Step 6. Once the download is finished, click Install on the installation prompt that appears. Step 7. Launch the app and verify that it's working perfectly as tested. You'll have access to exclusive streaming content. Step 8. Enjoy reliable streaming with these proven and tested secret codes. All codes have been verified for 2025. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.